How many credit cards are you currently using? Are you able to get the most out of every credit card you are using or holding? Because one credit card cannot give you best return across every categories. It is just not possible. So what if I told you only three carefully chosen credit card can cover all the different spending categories you are having and can save you a significant amount over a particular period of time? So in this video, I'll break down three ultimate credit card combo in India for 2026 over a number of different spending categories. Which card to pick for which categories, how to use each one, and the exact math behind how and why it works. Now, these are the categories I'll cover in this video. Online and offline shopping, including your groceries, regular household spending like utilities, electricity bill, internet bill, etc. Your travel spends like your flights and hotels, and the fuel. Now for each category, I'll give best cards the market has to offer. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to identify and choose the right three credit card combo for yourself based on your spending pattern. Now for the first category, online and offline shopping, including your groceries. For beginners, I'll recommend two cards, the SBI cashback card and the ICICI Amazon Pay credit card. Now based on where you spend, you can select any one of this credit card or you can select both of them, because the Amazon Pay ICICI card is a lifetime free credit card which provides 5% unlimited cashback on Amazon purchases if you are a Prime member, where the SBI cashback card comes with a joining fee and annual fee of 999 plus GST, and it offers 5% cashback on your online spends, capping at 2000 rupees per month, and similarly 1% on your offline spends, capping at 2000 rupees per month. Now here is the twist. People who can afford mid premium cards and are eyeing better value back, I can recommend two more cards in this particular category. One is the HDFC Regalia Gold and the Axis Atlas if you are currently holding it, because Axis Atlas is not getting issued anymore. Now let me tell you how and why. If you are holding the Regalia Gold credit card, you can use the Smart Buy portal to purchase vouchers for all offline and online shopping you do, like Blinkit, Zepto, Uber, Lifestyle, even groceries like Big Basket, etc., where you will get almost 12.5% back on your spend in terms of points, because Smart Buy offers 5x reward points on most of the voucher purchases. Now, Regalia Gold has 5x partners also, like Myntra, Marks and Spencers, Reliance Digital, Nykaa, etc. So you can significantly increase your rate of return. Now, a spending of 20,000 in this particular category can generate a 2,500 rupees return for you every month. Now for Axis Atlas, apart from travel, for all eligible spends, you get 2 miles every 100 spent. And converting those miles into partner miles will give you 4 miles in the ratio of 1:2. So there is a straightforward 4% return. Now you can even maximize this by having a right strategy to redeem this partner miles, where you can even generate 4 rupees per partner mile. Please refer to my detailed video on Axis Atlas to know more. Now, before getting into the next category, please comment in the comment section if you want to get a customized plan for your credit card spending and if you want to get a customized credit card combo for yourself. Now, moving to the next category, which is the regular household and the utilities category. Most of the credit card doesn't offer or provide any return on utilities like electricity bills, internet bills, gas bills, etc. Now for the beginners, I have two recommendations in this category. The first is the Amazon Pay ICICI credit card, where you will get 2% cashback on all utilities with no monthly cap, and also it is a lifetime free credit card. Second is the Tata New Infinity HDFC credit card, where you will get 5% new coins back when you pay utilities via the Tata New app, but which has a monthly cap of 2000 new coins. But this card comes with a joining and annual fee of 1499 plus GST. In the same category, people who can afford mid premium and premium cards, they can maximize their return by using the Amazon Pay vouchers. Please listen carefully. If you're holding the HDFC Regalia Gold credit card, you can buy Amazon Pay vouchers through the Smart Buy portal, which can give you 10% back on your utility spends via the Amazon Pay. Considering the fact that Smart Buy charges almost 3.5% convenience fee for buying Amazon Pay vouchers. The second one is the HDFC Diners Black Metal Credit Card, which will give you around 8.5% back after the convenience fee if you buy Amazon Pay vouchers via the Smart Buy. But this card comes with a joining an annual fee of 10,000 rupees plus GST. Now let's talk about the next category, which is the travel. So this is the category where you can massively earn if you use the right credit card. In this category, I have two recommendations. Axis Atlas, It is not issued anymore, but it gives 4% on normal spend and 10% on travel spend on the travel edge portal and on the direct flight and hotel websites. So you can earn up to 20% if you use the right redemption partner based on your goal. But if you're looking for an alternative of Atlas, you can go for the Axis Horizon credit card as well, where the reward rates and the transfer partners all are same, but the transfer ratios are different. It is in the ratio of 1:1 instead of Atlas's 1:2. And it comes with a joining an annual fee of 3,000 rupees plus GST. And the second recommendation will be the HSBC Travel one of the best currently in the market. You get 4 points on every 100 on flights and hotels via the travel aggregators, and 16 points on every 100 on flight, and 24 points on hotels via the Hopper portal. And it has a transfer ratio of 1:1 to most of the partners like Accor, Marriott, Air India, Qatar, British Airways, etc. But it comes with a joining an annual fee of 4,999 plus GST. And the last category I'll be talking about is the fuel. As most of the credit card does not give any value back on the fuel spent, I would highly recommend a dedicated fuel card if you are spending more than 5,000 rupees on fuel in a particular month. For pure fuel savings, I will recommend the RBL Bank Indian Oil Extra Credit Card, where you will get 7.5% back on your fuel spend plus a 1% surcharge waiver. But there is a cap, you can only earn 2,000 fuel points per month. And it comes with a joining an annual fee of 1,500 plus GST. So if your fuel spend is around 10 to 15K per month, this card is the best for you. And the second recommendation will be the SBI BPCL Octane Credit Card. So where you will get 6.25% back on your fuel spend, and on top of that 1% fuel surcharge waiver. And apart from that, it gives you 4 domestic lounge access per year, capped at 1 per quarter. And you will also get a milestone benefit if you spend 3 lakh rupees a year. Now, if you want to know details on those two cards, please refer to this video. Now, let us conclude. The best 3 credit card combo. For beginners, I would say SBI Cashback or Amazon ICICI Pay, and the HSBC Travel one, and the RBL Bank Indian Oil Extra or the SBI BPCL Octane. But for intermediate users who knows the credit card game and wants to maximize more, I'd recommend Regalia Gold, and anyone between Atlas or HSBC Travel one, and anyone between the RBL Indian Oil Extra or the SBI BPCL Octane. For people who are already holding super premium cards like Infinia, DCB Metal, HSBC Premier or ICICI EPM, they can pass this video. For them, I'll make a separate video on where to put what kind of spend to maximize their return. Now, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please do subscribe, because here we talk about credit cards and we try to maximize every rupee you spend.